Just come to make sure your baby's okay. Fucking crazy 800-pound silverback bursting through the trees. Gets right in your face. He's got fangs and he only eats feet and tail hanging out of his mouth. He's going just slowly choking this thing down, eating this entire monkey whole. And the tail and the little feet are poking out. It's like see if you can find that. Down, chasing it. Boom! Yeah. Snap. The bear caught up to the moose and broke its back.
With a slap.
Oh, shit.
Just bang! And the moose is fucked. Slams against the...
Oh, yeah, it's gone ballistic.